Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're going to change the home page now. First, open Microsoft Edge and make sure you're signed into the profile that should use Google. Click the three-dot menu at the top right and choose Settings. This is where Edge stores startup and appearance options. Once in Settings, locate the Appearance and Start, Home, and New Tabs sections so you can set what opens first. Don't skip signing into the correct profile. Changes apply per profile, not globally across users. Now set Google as the actual home page. Under Appearance, turn on the Home button and type https://www. Google.com into the address field. This lets you jump to Google with one click. Next, open Start, Home, and New Tabs or Startup settings and choose Open a specific page or pages. Click Add a new page and paste the same Google URL. This makes new windows or the Home button land on Google. It's direct and reversible if you change your mind later. Finish by restarting Edge to confirm Google loads with the Home button or on Startup. If the Home button doesn't appear, make sure appearance options aren't blocked by profile sync or managed policies. Check Edge//policy if you suspect enterprise controls. If Google fails to load, clear the browser cache and cookies, or remove and re-add the specific page in Startup settings. If problems persist, try disabling extensions temporarily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.